ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல் ஜினோஸ் வேர்ல்ட். இந்த வீடியோவில் டிக்கி பேங்க் எப்படி பண்ணுறதுன்னு என் குழந்தைங்க எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறாங்க. வாங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
Hi everybody. Today we are going to explain how to do piggy bank. Materials required: a cup, a CD, yellow color pencil, a big sheet of paper, marker, thread,
scissor, glue, pencil, eraser and black color marker.
Now take a cup and a pencil
And draw 3 strips at the top of the cup.
and now draw the 5 strips at both sides of the cup. Now draw the eyebrows
And the eyes for the tiger.
Now draw the nose for the tiger.
And the mouth.
Now take a black marker and color the penciled part.
With the black marker.
Now draw the mustache.
For the tiger and the birds for the tiger. And now draw the legs for the tiger.
Now take the yellow color pencil
And color the cup with the yellow color pencil. Full cup with the yellow color pencil.
Now take the red color marker
And color the nose with the red color marker.
Now take the black color sketch
And the big
big sheet of paper.
and draw the ears for the tiger. And color it.
Now cut the ears with the scissor.
Now take the red color marker
And color the ears. Now paste the ears with the glue to the cup.
at the top of the cup. And take the CD
And apply the glue full all over the CD.
and
Paste
take the green paper and stick at the top of the CD. Now stick the cup to the CD.
Now take the orange color thread
and
fold it into 4
And take the black color sketch and put the tiger's tail. And
Now paste the thread to the cup with the glue.
now apply the glue at the side of the
CD and paste the
thread
thread.
on it.
And put the hole at the top of the cup.
The tiki bank is ready. Thank you.
Thank you.